Good morning. I'm so excited dahil naimbitahan tayo guys sa isang pet creator event sa Glorieta, Makati. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. So guys, we arrive at around 10 a.m. kasi 10 a.m. ang start ng program. So first guys is nag-register muna kami and sa totoo lang gusto namin dalhin yung ibang for babies namin kaso di namin nadala since we lost the vaccine cards. Kasi requirement nila ang vaccine card upon registration ng mga pets, of course for safety na rin. And simula kasi nung lumipat kami ng bahay, nakalimutan or nawala namin yung vaccine card nila. And by the way, ang venue nga pala guys is sa Midnight Dream Studio. Napakaganda ng venue at setup sa loob nito. At yun guys, tignan nyo, napaka-cute ng Golden Retriever niya. Napakabait pa. The event started and syempre, program muna. A famous content creator shared his experience as a full parent and a content creator. Thank you kay Kaloy sa pagsama sa akin sa event dahil medyo nahihiya pa akong mag-vlog. By the way guys, ang event nga pala ito ay walang iba kundi ang Pet Creator Playground presents by Royal Canan. Napaka-organized ng event guys at masasabi ko talagang pinaghandaan nila at meron pa silang mga short videos na pinapakita about dogs and cats. Kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung program. After the program, lunchtime na. May free lunch and the food was delicious. After mealtime, we started na to complete yung passport event to get a loot bag. By the way, I will show you around para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung venue. At yung venue nga pala guys is parang per section, meron siyang iba't ibang team. So I will show it to you in a bit. So ayan guys, nakikita nyo na yung ibang mga team rooms. Ito naman team room nila na parang puro mga televisions. Ay nakakatuwa dito guys kasi napakadaming content creators ang umattend. Pati yung mga famous na content creators, pati yung ibang famous content creators na favorite ko nandito rin. Kaya sobrang natuwa ko kaso nahihiya lang talaga akong mag-approach sa kanila. So guys, habang pinapakita ko nga pala sa inyo yung mga team sections nila, ayan o, diba? Parang Japan style. So, by the way guys, just to let you know that this experience was really fun. I love the event so much. I love creating quick contents, building connections, talking to fellow animal lovers and content creators. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi talking to fellow content creators also they shared their knowledge about content creation, they shared tips, kaya sobrang nakakatuwa talaga. And syempre guys, pakita ko na rin yung ibang team section nila. Ayan, meron pang pabahay-bahay. Meron ding blue na maraming sparkling blue. Tama ba yung term ko? So, ayan guys. So, tapos look at that cute dog. Napaka-fluffy niya. Napaka-cute. And yan pa isa sa mga team section nila. At ito kami ni Carlo kumakain. Patay gutom kasi. Charot. So ayan guys. Ito, look at this cute puppy or cute dog. Hindi ko alam. Feeling ko adult na siya. Pero kamukha siya ni Gaga, yung anak ko. So ayan guys. Ito pa isa sa mga team rooms. At ayan guys, nakakatuwa, 'di ba? Ang daming option na pwede kayong puntahan kapag magpo-photoshoot kayo dito. Meron pang mga available na bed or meron diyang bathtub na din na pwede niyong magamit for photoshoot. At ayan guys, makikita nyo naman maraming tao or maraming pet content creators ang umattend sa event na to. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa talaga. At ayan, nakikita nyo naman po yung iba't ibang team rooms na available if ever na magpo-photoshoot kayo dito. Kaya masusulit nyo yung ibabayad nyo kung magpo-photoshoot kayo dito. Okay guys, so pakita ko na lang sa inyo the rest of the video. And by the way, salamat kung nakaabot ka dito. If you like the video guys, please do support me by subscribing on my YouTube channel. And you can also check the description section of this specific video on how you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, or other social media accounts, okay? So thank you so much for watching and enjoy the video. Bye-bye!